Understanding the mind. A look at schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a complex mental illness. It affects how people think, feel, and behave. Imagine your brain as an orchestra, with different sections playing in harmony. Schizophrenia disrupts this harmony, making it hard to distinguish between real and imagined experiences. This can lead to challenges in daily life. It might make it difficult to hold a conversation, focus on tasks, or manage emotions. However, it's important to remember that people with schizophrenia are just like anyone else, with their own unique strengths and challenges. This video aims to shed light on schizophrenia. We will explore its signs, causes, and available treatments. Understanding this disorder is the first step towards compassion and support for those affected. Seeing the signs. How schizophrenia might appear. Schizophrenia often emerges in early adulthood, but it can manifest at different ages. It affects people from all walks of life. Recognizing the signs early on is crucial for seeking timely intervention. One of the most prominent signs is hallucinations. These are sensory experiences that feel real but aren't. A person might hear voices, see things that aren't there, or even feel phantom touches. Another common symptom is delusions. These are firmly held beliefs that are not based in reality. For example, someone might believe they possess supernatural powers, or that they are being persecuted. These symptoms can be distressing and disorienting. It's important to remember that they are a result of the illness and not a reflection of the person's character or intelligence. Unraveling the puzzle. What causes schizophrenia? The exact causes of schizophrenia remain a mystery, but research suggests a complex interplay of factors. Genetics plays a significant role. If a close family member has schizophrenia, the risk increases. However, genes alone don't tell the whole story. Environmental factors also contribute. Exposure to viruses during pregnancy, complications during childbirth, or early childhood trauma might play a role. Furthermore, brain chemistry seems to be involved. Imbalances in certain chemicals like dopamine and glutamate are thought to disrupt communication between brain cells. Understanding these intricate connections is crucial for developing more effective treatments and preventive measures. Scientists are working tirelessly to unravel the puzzle of schizophrenia and provide better support for those affected. Navigating schizophrenia treatment and support. While schizophrenia presents significant challenges, it is a treatable condition. With proper care and support, individuals with schizophrenia can lead fulfilling lives. Treatment typically involves a combination of approaches tailored to each person's needs. Medication plays a crucial role in managing symptoms. Antipsychotic drugs help regulate brain chemicals and reduce hallucinations and delusions. Therapy is equally important, providing a safe space to process emotions, develop coping skills, and improve social functioning. Beyond traditional treatments, psychosocial interventions, such as social skills training and vocational rehabilitation, can empower individuals to regain independence and pursue their aspirations. The journey with schizophrenia can be long and demanding, but with the right support system, recovery is within reach. Building resilience, coping strategies for daily life. Living with schizophrenia requires resilience and coping mechanisms to navigate daily life's challenges. One effective strategy is to establish a structured routine. Regular sleep-wake cycles, healthy meals, and planned activities can provide a sense of stability and predictability. Engaging in enjoyable activities is equally crucial. Whether it's listening to music, pursuing hobbies, or spending time in nature, these activities can boost mood, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. Support groups and connecting with others who understand the condition can provide invaluable emotional support and practical advice. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. A brighter tomorrow, advancements, and hope for the future. The field of mental health is constantly evolving, bringing new hope for individuals with schizophrenia. Scientists are making significant strides in understanding the disorder's complexities, leading to more targeted and effective treatments. Research into new medications, brain stimulation therapies, and personalized medicine approaches, offers promising avenues for improving symptom management and enhancing quality of life. Beyond scientific advancements, raising awareness and fostering empathy are paramount. By challenging stigma and promoting understanding, we can create a more supportive and inclusive society for individuals with schizophrenia and their families. Together, we can pave the way for a brighter tomorrow.